Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Ram Promaster tire pressure sensor. First, confirm all your tires are properly inflated to the recommended PSI, usually listed on the driver's side door jamb. An under- or overinflated tire is the most common cause for the light. Next, drive your Promaster at a speed of 15 miles per hour or more for at least 10 minutes. This driving cycle often allows the system to automatically reset itself. If the light persists, ensure your tire pressures are precise. Sometimes, even a small deviation can trigger the sensor. A longer drive, perhaps 20 minutes at speeds exceeding 25 miles per hour, can also help the system relearn. For certain Promaster models, a manual reset might involve disconnecting the negative battery terminal for about 15 minutes. Remember to check your owner's manual for specific instructions. Sometimes the issue isn't just pressure. A sensor itself might be faulty, especially if your vehicle is older than 7 years. Physical damage to a tire or valve stem can also cause a leak, triggering the light. Always inspect your tires thoroughly. Additionally, aftermarket accessories can sometimes interfere with the TPMS signal. If you've recently installed new equipment, consider if it might be the culprit. If your TPMS light flashes, it signals a system malfunction, not just low pressure, and requires immediate professional attention. A certified mechanic has specialized diagnostic tools to accurately read sensor data, pinpointing the exact issue, whether it's a bad sensor, module, or wiring. Remember, maintaining proper tire pressure is crucial for safety and fuel efficiency. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check out the description for a link to a fantastic book on wealth building, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.